Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with my friend Ima and I did this really pretty makeup look on her. So if you want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. I'm starting off with Ima's clean face. This is her before. She is gorgeous without makeup, as you can see. So I'm going to start off with MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to spray this all over her face to prep her skin. So now I'm going in with this La Mer moisturizer to moisturize her skin, and I'll also list all the products down below if I don't mention them, and I will also be listing all the makeup brushes that I use as well. So now I'm going in with this Maybelline Total Temptation Eyebrow Definer in medium brown. I'm using this to define the front of her brows and then blending it out with the spoolie that's on the other side. And then I'm going in with deep brown, which is the same thing, and I'm using this to define the ends of her brows. Now I'm going in with MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC 30 with a MAC 242 brush to define under the brows and also on top. Look how nice her brows look. And now I'm going in with MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm applying this all over her eyelids and blending it out up until her brow bone. So now I'm going in with all Anastasia eyeshadows. I'm going in with the color Soft Peach and blending this back and forth into her crease for a nice transition color. And now I'm going in with the color Blanc from Anastasia as well, and using this to highlight right underneath the brow bone. And now I'm going to go in with the color Birkin, and I'm using this to really define her crease and going back and forth and blending it all back out. Now I'm going in with the color Brick to really deepen up the corners of her eyes. I'm going from light to dark eyeshadows to really create a nice smoky eye. Now I'm going in with Morocco and I'm applying this right on top to deepen it up. And lastly, I'm going in with Beauty Mark, and this is going back and forth to create a very smoky effect in the corner of her eyes and blending it a little bit down her lash line as well. And just make sure to keep blending until you achieve your desired look. I forgot to record this, but I used Dose of Colors Shell Eyedeal Duo Pigment, just the base part, right on her lid. Then I'm going in with this Heaven and Hana glitter. This is called their Skin Sequins Face and Body Glitter in Rome. This is so pretty. It's like a rose gold. It has like chunks of glitters. Oh my gosh, see, even Ima loves it. And she never wears glitter. But oh my gosh, I love this glitter so much. It's so unique. I'm going in with Morphe Slate Gel Liner, and I'm using this to line her eyes to create a wing liner. So I'm going against her lash line, going back and forth, lining it, and I'm going to go and do the wing. So I'm going to line it down and then drag it back in. And I do this very slowly because I don't want to mess up the wing liner, and I gradually make it bigger. So now I'm going in with these Morphe lashes in Seductress and using my House of Lashes glue in the dark tone. I'm applying this onto her lashes, actually onto the Morphe lashes, and I'm going to apply this straight onto her lash line. These are so pretty, guys. I love these Morphe lashes. They look so good on her. So once that's dried, I'm taking a Neutrogena makeup wipe and I'm cleaning up right under her eye and making sure to sharpen up her liner as well. So now I'm going in with this Makeup Forever foundation and I'm going to apply this all over her face. She has really nice skin, so this would be perfect for her skin. And I'm also taking these Farsali drops in Unicorn and I'm applying this all over her skin. I feel this oil just makes the skin look so smooth and flawless. I love it so much. So after I applied all that, I'm going in with my MAC Oval 6 brush. I'm using this to blend everything out. I'm making sure to kind of avoid the eyebrows and anything around the eyes since I did the eyes first. But I'm just going ahead and fast forwarding all this and going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm taking two colors. I can't remember the colors right now, so I'll link it down below, but I'm applying it under the eyes, on her forehead, on the bridge of her nose, and also on her chin, and I'm mixing both of them, one to conceal and one to highlight. And I'm going in with this Morphe brush to blend everything out, I love this brush. It's so nice for blending out concealer. I'm also going to use it to contour as well.
Oh my god, this looks wild. She's turning me into a new bitch.
So here we go. I'm going to contour. I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toast. And I'm going to apply this around her forehead, on the sides of her nose, around her jawline, and also on the hollows of her cheekbones. And she's ready to cut it. You know? Yeah, you get what I mean. So I'm just going to go and blend everything out. And you will see how structured her face will look. Definitely very sharp. Loving it. I also went in with my Oval 6 brush and blended it out a little bit as well. And now I'm taking this La Mer powder. I forgot what it's called, but I'm using this to bake. It is such a nice powder. It's so smooth. Well, it should be nice. It's really expensive. It's like $95 for this powder, so yeah, it better be good. And now I'm going in with this MAC Mineralize Skinfinish Natural Powder in medium, and I'm using this to set the rest of the face, but also dusting away any excess powder under the eyes. She's feeling herself. You can tell. I know. I'm going in with this Marc Jacobs blush, and I'm applying this to the apples of her cheekbones to give her some life, some color. And going in with this Pop Beauty highlighter, I'm applying this to the tips of her nose, down the bridge of her nose, and also on the tops of her cheekbones. She is glowing. I love it so much. Also on the Cupid's bow as well. And I took a smaller brush and I'm applying this to the inner corners of her eyes. Oh my gosh, I love this part. It just like makes the eyes pop. And I'm also applying it under her brow bone too. Oh no, under her brows I mean. Now I'm going in with Beauty Mark again. I'm using this to smoke out the lower lash line. And then I'm going in with Birkin to blend that out so it's nice and smoky. Although she keeps blinking. I'm going in with this Maybelline mascara, and I'm applying this on the bottoms of her lashes and also on top to blend it with the fake lashes. And I'm applying a little bit of chapstick from Burt's Bees to moisturize her lips. Now I'm going in with this really pretty red. This is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Stunna Lip Paint Longwear Fluid Lip Color in Uncensored. That is such a long name, but this red is fire. Oh my gosh, I love this lip color so much. And I'm going back in with a little bit of that highlighter from Pop Beauty. I'm applying this to her shoulders and her collarbones. And lastly, I'm spraying her face with Scandinavia setting spray so that her makeup lasts all night. And this is the final look, guys. Oh my gosh, isn't she pretty? I love this look so much. She is working it. Yes, you can wear this to a night out or whatever you want. So I wanted to also give you guys a new lip option. So this is MAC Spice Lip Pencil and Anastasia Undressed Lip Gloss. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also follow me on my social medias that are listed down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.